I will be putting I might be putting weird recipes where I just mix some random stuff up on my channel. I did that before, but I didn't put it on YouTube. I just did it yesterday, but I didn't put it on YouTube because when I was making videos, I asked my father, hey, can I do that? Can I make videos? Or do you want to do that? He said yes. Oh, that feels. So, please remember to subscribe to my channel and like. And if I get a lot of subscribers, then give me requests actually, because I have nothing to do. I need to seek out stuff. Oh my gosh, it looks like salt. Like, oh look. This has a different top. It's like salt, 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 salt. Okay. So bye.